just woke up, and I'm going on my phone now, but my phone's dead, and I'm gonna show you my bird actually today. That bird. I'm gonna ask my mom if she could blow my finger. I have a parrot. I'll show you it. It has so many colors. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can hear or not. So yeah. Go princess, go princess, go princess, go princess, go princess, go princess, go princess. Well, I'm gonna go ask my mom now how to play on my finger. Mommy, can I try one more time to pair on my finger for YouTube?
What?
Can I try her one more time to pair on my finger? Princess.
Oh, yeah, hang on.
So my mom said that she's going to try one more time. Because she been biting my mom. We took her out like a lot of times. She goes on my shoulder. Or she goes on my finger. She crawls up my shoulder and goes on my finger. She's the prettiest bird you ever see. She kisses you. If you have mascara on, she bites it off. And she likes to... And she likes to cuddle with you. She does not poop on you. She doesn't poop at all. Because if you look in her cage, there's like no poop anywhere. She does not poop. It's weird. The doctor said she has something wrong. She never bites you. She doesn't have teeth and her beak isn't sharp. It's really soft and mushy. Like the beaks are soft and mushy. Like Play-Doh. Yeah. She lays down like this. She opens her mouth. She's like, I have a bird. I have no idea where Kong just went. Kong is our cat. And we have a horse, and we have chickens. And actually, guys, I'm wearing a nightgown. It's from Macy's. It's so long. There's pizza rolls right there. Because I'm eating them. It is 2:28. And I'm watching a mini Mickey Mouse shows. It's on Disney Channel. It's not like the children's Mickey Mouse, like little babies. Because I'm 8. I mean 9. No, not 8. 9. And I wouldn't be watching this if I'm 9. So yeah, so I'm going to my mom. She could go pick up the bird.
With the single biggest collection of Hyundais on the planet. It's
Mom. I'm making a video for YouTube so I can do that's my mom, and so I could do the bird.
Oh, okay.
My mom, Auntie Amy, Cousin Amy, congratulations on having a baby. We're making a cake for you right now, and it's today the 9th.
Pretty girl, pretty girl.
It's today the 9th.
Come on, pretty girl. Yes.
Okay, today is 1. 9.
I don't think she wants to be pet.
1, 9, 14. I mean 15.
15.
1, 9, 15. And it is 2:30 now. Used to be 2:29. Now it's 2:30. She keep on biting you.
She doesn't want to be held right now.
She doesn't really be held right now.
That's
so
right. We'll
maybe
try
in
it
the
again in a
next-
little bit.
We'll try again in a little bit, and if she goes on my mom's finger, then I'll start. Then I'll go in this video again.
You want to show
Yeah,
her dancing?
I already did. Bye.